Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of DCC NIT-A. In this video we are going to discuss the problem lamps which came in Codeforces round 876 Biprajit. So in this problem we are given n lamps which are numbered from 1 to n, and each lamp has two integer parameters ai and bi, and at each moment each lamp is one of the three states, whether they will be turned on, turned off or broken. Initially all the lamps are turned off. In one operation, we can select a lamp which is turned off and we'll turn it on. Note that we cannot turn on the broken lamps. Now, if we turn on a lamp I, we will receive BI points for that. Now, let's note the number of lamps that are currently turned on as X. So, all the lamps I whose AI value is lesser equals to X will simultaneously break, whether they are turned on or off. Now, we have to find the maximum number of points we can get after performing some operations. So this problem can be solved using greedy approach. Let's see how. We'll take this test case. So first of all, we'll try to turn on those lamps whose AI value is as less as possible. Because if we turn on a lamp which has higher AI value, suppose this lamp, this uh, this will give us 4 points, and as we turn it on, the number of lamps that are turned on becomes 1. So as soon as we turn it on, the lamps which has AI value less or equals to 1, such as this first lamp and this third lamp, will simultaneously break. So we are unable to receive those points. So it is not optimal to turn on the lamp which has higher AI value. Instead, we will turn on those lamps which has lower AI value. Now, if there is a tie between AI values, suppose this first lamp and third lamp, we'll turn on those lamp which has higher BI value, means the lamp which will give us higher number of points. So first of all, we'll try to turn on this lamp, and then we'll receive 4 points. And as soon as we turn it on, so we are unable to take this and we'll break this lamp. So in this way, we are going to proceed and try to collect as much points as we can get. Let's see the algorithm. So we are taking this same test case as we have seen. So we'll first of all we'll try to sort these lamps in such a way that the lamps which has lower AI will come first, and if there is a tie, then the lamps which has higher BI value will come first. So after sorting those lamps, we'll get this one, this list. So first of all, let us try to turn on this lamp. This lamp has lowest AI value, and among this lowest AI value, it has higher number of hours. So let us turn on this lamp. So as we turn on this lamp, number of lamps that are turned on becomes 1. Now we'll get 4 points for it, as it has 4 associated with it. Now we'll break those lamps whose AI value is less or equals to 1. So we can see we have 2 lamps whose AI value is less or equals to 1. So we'll strike out these lamps. So now the number of lamps that are turned on becomes 0 again. So next we'll turn on this lamp which has next lower AI, that is 2. So we'll turn on this lamp and we'll receive 3 points for that. And number of lamps that are turned on becomes 4. Next we'll check how many lamps has AI value less or equals to 1. But we can see that there are no lamps whose AI value is less or equals to 1. So we will not break any lamp and proceed further. Next we will light on this one. So after turning it on becomes 2. There are 2 lamps which are currently turned on, and we'll also receive 5 points for that. Now we'll check how many lamps has AI value less or equals to 2. So you can see this lamp has AI value equals to 2. So we'll strike out this lamp. Now this lamp has 3, which is not less or equals to 2, so it will remain as it is. So the number of lamps which are currently turned on becomes 1 again. Okay, so let's proceed further. Now we'll turn on this lamp. So after turning it on, number of lamps that are turned on becomes 2, and we'll add its value 4. Now we'll check how many lamps have AI value less equals to 2. We'll see none of those, so we'll proceed further and turn on this lamp. So after turning it on, the number of lamps that are turned on becomes 3, and we'll receive 4 points for that. Now we'll check how many lamps are AI value is less or equals to 3. You can see all these lamps has AI value less or equals to 3. So we'll break those lamps as well. So now all the lamps are done, and see how many points we get. So here if we add this number, then 4 plus 3 7 plus 5 12 and plus 8, it becomes 20. So you can check the test case. Answer is 24. This is a test case which I just seen. So this logic will work. First of all we'll sort this lens according to AI values, and if there is a tie, then we'll sort according to the BI values. The ones which have higher BI will come first. Let's see the implementation. So in this code, first of all, we'll take the inputs n, and we'll take an array of pair of ins. We'll take the input and we'll sort it. I used a custom comparator. So as you can see, if the AI values are not equal, then we'll sort according to the ones which have lesser AI values. These lamps will come first, and if it's equal, then the lamps which have higher BI values will come first. Now we'll declare answer, then some variables to keep the track of how many lamps are turned on, index I, and start. Now this start will help us to track then how many lamps are broken or not. Uh, See next. Uh, First of all, at every index, we'll add the value associated with each lamp and increase the number of lamps which are currently turned on, that's on plus plus, and increment the index as well. Now we'll use two pointer. Basically, we are using two pointer approach here. So we'll maintain a counter here, and the start, which is currently at 0, means at first it will be at 0. So we'll increment it and check which lamps has AI value lesser equals to on. So if this start is lesser than I, which means these lamps are turned on and these lamps will break. So we'll keep a counter here to keep track of those lamps which are previously turned on, and now after performing this ith operation, these lamps will break, and also we will increment the start. So after completing this while loop, we will decrement this counter from this on. So after doing this, we'll do I equals max of I and start. This is because if the start value surpasses the value of I in this while loop, then we'll directly place I to that index. So we don't have to again and again calculate for those lamps which are already broken. So after this while loop, we'll have our answer in our variable answer, and finally we'll print this answer. So this is it, the code, and I hope you understood this video and the explanation. Thank you for watching.